this video, we're gonna learn about how to convert improper fractions to mixed number and how to convert mixed number to improper fractions. For example, we have 10 over 3. Let's convert this to mixed number. So 3 divided by 10. How many 3 are there in 10? So we have 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So the whole number is 3. The remainder is 1. And then let's copy the divisor or the denominator of this one. So you'll get 3 and 1/3. Another example, 5 over 2. So let's divide it using the long division method. How many 2 are there in 5? So there are 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. The whole number is 2. The remainder is 1. Then let's copy the divisor, which is 2. So this is the final answer. Then let's try converting mixed number into improper fraction using the same examples. So let's have 3 and 1/3. So what we're gonna do is to copy the denominator, which is 3, and then we multiply the whole number to the denominator. So let's have 3, the whole number, times the denominator plus the numerator. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10 over 3. So which is also equivalent to this, 10 over 3. Let's have another example. 2 and 1/2. So let's copy the denominator, which is 2. Whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. 2 times 2 is 4, times 1 is 5 over 2. Let's have another example. Let's say a mixed number of 1 and 2/5 converted to improper fraction. So we have to copy the denominator, whole number times the denominator plus the numerator. The numerator is 2. Sorry. So 1 times 5 is 5 plus 2 is 7 over 5. What about 7 over 5 converted to mixed number? So let's have 7 divided by 5. So there are 1, 5 in 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. So the whole number is 1. The remainder is 2. Then you just have to copy the divisor. So 1 and 2/5, which is also the same as this. That's it for today. I hope you learned the lesson.